When you're negotiating with Americans, it's important to remember that Americans are always extremely prepared. And it's never just preparation in a technical aspect, it's also tactical preparation. We know what we want, we know our targets, we know our goals, we know what demands to make, and we expect you to be prepared with the same. And if you're not, we look at you as if you are not serious, you are not committed, and you are not interested in coming to an agreement with us. In terms of leadership, Americans are often thought of as a dominant group of people, and that's not necessarily always true. However, when there are groups and Americans are involved, many times Americans will take on the position of leadership, not necessarily because they have leadership personalities, but because they are often the most outspoken, and so they end up in a position of leadership. But by nature, our style in a negotiation is one of leadership and dominance. It's important to remember that when you negotiate with an American, you can almost always expect an opening to be rooted in informal conversation. We like small talk. It's important for us to make small talk so that we can humanize ourselves as well as humanize our counterparts. And this is important because it not only establishes friendship and a rapport, but it shows that we are in this together. We are establishing a friendly playing field, even though our negotiation tactics might be aggressive. It's not uncommon for things to escalate in a negotiation with an American. Oftentimes, it is the American counterpart that will actually escalate. It is within our toolkit of negotiations to increase demands, increase pressure, and to escalate in an effort to get the counterpart to come to an agreement and to make as many concessions as possible. In our methodology of negotiations at the Schranner Institute, we know that you meet irrational demands with irrational demands of your own. And such is the case when you negotiate with Americans.